I had the privilege and opportunity to study and work in some of the finest B schools of the world, starting with XLRI Jamshedpur, Harvard Business School, and then coming as director of IIM Bangalore. In between, vice president at Oberoi Hotels Group. All these experiences have given me certain international quality standards and perspectives. It is with that background we started Zyme in 1991.
I decided to enroll myself in one of the best business schools in the country.
Good morning to you aspiring future managers of the country. I would invite you to the futuristic program, which is the business analytics.
Zyme is accredited for the quality by ACBSP USA and also honored with the prestigious Madras Management Association's Award for Managerial Excellence. We have also been accoladed with the Innovation Award by DNA Mumbai.
Business analytics plays an important role when it comes to doing business online. The amount of data it generates and the need for processing this data to generate meaningful insights which can help in business process improvements.
What does it take for me if I don't have full information, if things are ambiguous, if things are uncertain, if things are not known, how do I act? How do I think critically? How do I think integratively? How do I think innovatively? These are the kind of thinking skills that one needs to be successful in the gap.
Our well-modern computer labs sharpens our IT skills.
When we are in the ultra-modern, state-of-the-art Audi, we sing, dance, learn, act, and many more.
Our faculty, they're more than just teachers. They share, they guide, and make us feel special in their own ways. They're highly qualified and experienced from the finest institutions in the country as well as overseas, like IIMs, XLRI, and Harvard.
Placements. They are the stepping stone to our students' career. We boast of a 99% placement record. We give our students the training and exposure required to join some of the world's best organizations.
Our interaction with these companies does not restrict to placements. We are in constant contact with them regarding syllabus modifications, live projects, and also starting of new programs. They told us that the next 2 decades of the industry will be ruled by managers with knowledge on business analytics and other areas of digital transformation.
Come enjoy the ambience. Come enjoy the learning. Come be part of the future. Welcome to you.